Have you ever felt like the world is against you? This video dives deep into the art of turning rejection on its head, inspired by Stoicism. Imagine a world where no isn't a dead end, but a springboard for greatness. We'll unpack 13 powerful lessons to harness the power of rejection, practical real-world strategies you can use every day. Lesson 1. Ignore them. 2. Life throws you the cold shoulder. Rise above it. By focusing on your goals and happiness, you take back your power. Redirect your attention to activities that enrich you. This isn't about getting back at someone, but reclaiming your energy and investing it where it matters. This act of self-prioritization boosts your morale and enhances your personal growth and happiness. 2. Don't react emotionally. Rejection can sting, making you want to react and let your emotions run wild. But here's a secret weapon from the Stoic playbook: calmness. When someone brushes you off, it's tempting to let frustration or sadness take the driver's seat. Stoicism offers a different path, suggesting a composed, thoughtful response. This isn't about suppressing your feelings, but about not letting them control you. When ignored, take a step back and ask, "Why is this bothering me?" Often it's not the rejection itself, but our own insecurities that hurt us the most. Stay polite and kind, and if you feel like reaching out, do so with genuine concern, not expectation. Your power lies in how you respond, not in how others treat you. Lesson 3. Remove them from your mind. Detachment becomes a powerful tool. Don't forget or pretend it didn't sting, but channel that experience into something transformative. Engage in activities that enrich your spirit and broaden your horizons. Rejection isn't a reflection of your worth. It's an invitation to rediscover and reinvent yourself. By detaching from negative experiences, you create space for positive ones to flourish. Lesson 4. Demonstrate your value. Rejection is a test of your resilience. View it as a chance to reveal your grit. Channel that energy into a project showcasing your skills. Your value isn't diminished by oversight. It's an opportunity to shine brighter. Embrace the full spectrum of emotions, then move forward with grace. Stoicism teaches us to focus on what we can control, our actions and reactions. Lesson 5. Cut off contact. Silence isn't just the absence of sound. Silence is a powerful tool. Your instinct might scream to fix it, but embrace silence. It's not about playing games. It's about regaining your power. This pause isn't for them. It's for you to recalibrate and remember your worth. This mindset speaks volumes about your self-worth and confidence. Lesson 6. Prove them wrong, but not in the way you think. The art of using rejection isn't about proving others wrong, but proving to yourself what you're truly capable of. Transform no into your fuel for growth. Dive deep into learning and perfecting your craft. Your achievements become a testament to your dedication and resilience, not merely a rebuttal to doubters. Lesson 7. Embrace the journey. Rejection is part of the broader journey of life. Embrace it as a natural component of growth. Each no is a stepping stone, guiding you towards better opportunities and self-awareness. Lesson 8. Learn and adapt. Rejection provides valuable feedback. Analyze the situation and learn from it. Continuously learning and adapting fosters growth and innovation, making you more adept at handling future challenges. Lesson 9. Practice gratitude. Amidst rejection, practice gratitude. Focus on what you have, not what you lack. This shift in perspective can transform your outlook and boost your resilience. Lesson 10. Seek support. Don't navigate rejection alone. Seek support from friends, family, or mentors. A strong support network offers comfort, perspective, and valuable advice, making the journey more manageable. Lesson 11. Stay persistent. Persistence is key. Rejection is often a numbers game. The more you try, the higher your chances of success. Persistence demonstrates resilience and determination, leading to eventual success and fulfillment. Lesson 12. Focus on what you can control. Stoicism teaches us to focus on what we can control, our actions and attitudes. Channel your energy into constructive actions and positive thinking. Lesson 13. Embrace the bigger picture. Remember the bigger picture. Rejection is just a small part of your journey. Keep your long-term goals and vision in mind. This perspective helps you stay motivated and focused, guiding you towards a fulfilling and successful life.